we know that there are limitless possibilities in the quantum field, and to be quite honest, I am really sick of women not being their fullest, most expressed quantum selves, where they have access to create whatever they want, and they have access to all realms of energy and the ability to work with source energy, and source energy alone is all you need, is source energy, and your energy is a co-creation. And this is what I help women with in the Quantum Alignment Program. This is for you to tap into your soul aligned work and work with all of those aspects of the quantum field, okay? So these energies, like since the solstice, have been moving us into alignment, and then this Lionsgate energy has been really intense, which is why I did the Lionsgate liberation, to actually like, let's not connect to it more because it's already intense, let's ground it down. So the general message for everyone today is there is an entirety of a quantum field available to you. We do not have to limit ourselves with one modality, with one way of working, with one box, one specific thing. The only thing that you need is source and your higher self. You don't need any other healing modality or thing, or connect to any other things. Actually, that causes more distraction when we try and connect with all these things. So we only really want to keep it really simple, and we have access to all of these dimensions where we can work with energy, which is just incredibly beautiful, okay? I think so many of us need that reminder to slow down, because it does not come natural. When that cortisol comes in, when that overwhelm comes in, an old pattern for so many of us is to ride off that cortisol and do more and more and more, and actually use it, and then become more and more and more overwhelmed. When we get that first nudge of overwhelm coming in, it is then when we need to flip into feminine, and remembering to do that sooner, because otherwise we kind of push ourselves into burnout and overwhelm. Then we're so far pushed into the corner that we have to then go into our feminine. We're forced into surrender and feminine. We don't want to be doing that through force. We want to be actively moving ourselves into that state sooner. And focus on yourself and your needs and what you need. There will be a lot of people in the collective right now, those that have not done the inner work and healing, who are like super triggered and projecting at the moment. So try not to feed anyone's drama, and spend that time going within. And